Gelatin is a natural product from animal raw materials that contain collagen. Additionally, jelly can be in the form of powder and sheets, also known as leaf gelatin. Furthermore, you can make jelly sheets by pouring a gelatin solution to form sheets. Because of this, you can use these sheet recipes in various ways. What are jelly sheets used for? Essentially, these jelly sheets can make different things to design your cake. With that, you can create colorful butterfly wings that you add to the cake. Also, you can use it for making a no-bake cheesecake, gelatin bubbles, gelatin flowers, gummy bears, and candies. What you will need in making this recipe. Ingredients: 5 teaspoons of Knox powdered gelatin, 2 ounces of cool water, 1 drop of liquid food coloring. Step by step. Step 1. Pour 2 ounces of cool water into a shallow dish. Then, evenly sprinkle the gelatin powder over the cool water. Afterward, allow the gelatin to bloom for about 5 minutes. Step 2. Microwave the shallow dish with the bloomed gelatin for about 30 seconds. Then, stir using a spoon. Also, microwave the gelatin mixture for another 15 seconds. Step 3. Allow the gelatin mixture to sit for about 5 minutes. Likewise, you can do so until the bubbles descend on the surface. In addition to that, you will notice a formation of white foam. Then, make sure to skim the white foam from the surface using a spoon. Step 4. Add the coloring if you like. In addition to that, you can add the luster and corn syrup if you like. Then, allow the gel to dry completely in a flat container to make the sheet. Finally, store it inside the refrigerator once it dries. Another recipe. Ingredients: 1 pack of Knox gelatin, 3 tablespoons of water, food coloring if desired. Step by step. Step 1. Pour the water into a small glass bowl. Sprinkle the unflavored gelatin powder over the top of the water. Remember, you may sprinkle in thin layers. Then, allow the water to absorb the gelatin powder. Likewise, allow the gelatin to bloom for about a few minutes. Step 2. Heat the gelatin inside a microwave for 15 seconds. Stir using a small spoon. After that, heat the gelatin and water mixture until the gelatin dissolves entirely. When the white foam starts to form on top of the gelatin mixture, scoop the white foam using a spoon. Also, ensure that you remove the white foam. Step 3. Add any food coloring or luster into the gelatin mixture if desired. Also, when satisfied with the color, you can now use a brush. Paint the gelatin on a gelatin veining sheet. Afterward, paint a thin layer of gelatin onto the veining sheets. And as usual, serve and enjoy. Tips and tricks. When sprinkling the powdered sugar over the water, ensure to do it slowly and gently. After that, allow the gelatin to absorb all the water evenly. Allow the gelatin mixture to bloom. After that, heat the gelatin gently. Then, start with 30 seconds and 15 seconds increments. If the gelatin boils or becomes too hot, it may cause the gelatin not to set properly. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.